Hey guys, so I'm going to teach you how to find a picture on Google and then be able to copy and paste it onto a Word document. So for anything research project or for teaching purposes, you're going to need to know how to do this, whether it be for Word document or PowerPoint. My purposes, I'm going to do Word document. I'm going to do The Greatest Showman, cast, and I'm going to want a picture of Hugh Jackman. So I'm going to go to images and you're going to either control click and you're going to do left click and you're going to copy image, not image address, that is different, but that. And then you can either control right click and do paste, or same purposes if you have an Apple, you can do Command V. And there you have it.